Hello and welcome to yet another Monty Miracle cleaning video. In today's video we're going to be showing you how Monty Miracle cleans block paving around your home. Even though Monty Miracle is a multi-surface cleaner, we'd just like to concentrate today on block paving. People who own properties with block paving are very reluctant to use jet washing as a means of cleaning their block paving, as the pressure constantly on the surface damages the surface and the pressure can get between the joints and loosen the blockwork structure. Monty Miracle's method of cleaning is apply the solution, agitate with a soft nylon brush, keeping the surface moist, leaving 6 to 10 minutes and then simply rinsing with a garden hose pipe. No mess, no pressure and no damage. As you can see on some of the surfaces there is a white spot. This is a calcium deposit from a living infestation. After cleaning with Monty Miracle, the surface will look clean, but these white spots will remain. But over time, with the natural elements, these will disappear. Also, if there's moss between the joints, this moss will turn white and this will disappear also with the weather and the elements over time. Well, I hope you found this video informative. If you would like to find out more, please visit montymiracle.co.uk. And thank you very much for watching.